Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Edo Bag Maker Aliske channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. If you are new to my channel, my name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker based in Nigeria, Edo State. This channel is all about bag making. So if this is what you are interested in, I think you should click the subscription button to subscribe. Like our video, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever we upload a new video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to cut and sew this bag. So this is the bag that we are going to be making. So please subscribe, like and share our videos. This is introduction to material. So this material is 13 by 40. That is the main body. The handle is 22 by 1 inches. 22 by 1 inches. I actually just cut the material, then I folded it. I cut it for 3 and I folded it into 2. Then this is the side. The side is 6 by 11. Then this is the flap cover. This is the flap cover. Is 6 by 11 too. Then this is the pocket. The front pocket is 17 by 7. 17 by 7 with lining. All of them that I'm showing you, they come with their lining. And also we have the zipper. We have the zipper for the main bag. It's 16 inches long. 16 inches long. We have the zipper for the cover, the flap, is 12 inches long. And we have the zipper for the inside is 13 inches long, the inside pocket. So now we are going to, this is our velcro. It's 5.5 inches long, but we will divide it into two. This is our velcro. This is the one that we will use to get the handles to fix the flap cover. This is the one that we are going to use to close the flap cover. So now let's dive right into the video. We are going to first of all work on this 17 by 7. This is 17 by 7. We are going to be working on it. Can you see it? So what we do now is that we will face it right side, facing right side of the lining, and we'll sew it down. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm done sewing it. Can you see it? I'll sew it down from both sides, then I will turn it out. So I'm turning it. So this is the one that we're going to use for the front pocket. So I'll turn it out. Can you see it? I've turned it. So after you finish turning it, the next thing to do is you top stitch it. Top stitch it. After you have turned it out, top stitch both sides. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm done top stitching it. So now it is time to fix with one side of the velcro. It is time to fix it. So I'm taking 1 inches by 3 inches. 3 inches from the side, 1 inches from the down. So that's why I'm done fixing my velcro. 3 inches by 1 inches. Can you see it? 3 inches by 1 inches. That's where I fix my velcro. So I'm done with it. So the next thing to do now is to measure 1.5 inches on both sides. Measure 1.5 inches on both sides. Make a straight line. Do it on the other side too. And you make a straight line. 1.5 inch. Can you see it? You take 1.5 inch. And the next thing to now do, you get the center of that front pocket. Get the center. And from the center, measure 1.5 inch on both sides too. After you do it on the side, then you also do it on the center. Measure 1.5 inch. Can you see it? Measure it. So then you now sew. You sew the 1.5 inch you measure before. You sew it like this. Can you see the way I'm sewing it? Make sure you sew it like that. Sew this side. Sew the other side too. The other edge where you measure 1.5 inches, you also sew it like this. Can you see it? Yes, that is how you sew it. You fold it in 1.5 inches and you sew. So can you see? So the next thing to do is to now sew the one that you take from the center, the 1.5 inch you measure from the center. You also sew it in like this. So can you see the way I'm sewing it? So that is how to sew it. Sew it down way, 1.5 inches on both sides, from the center on both sides, from the side on both sides. Then now, after you have done sewing it, your front pocket, that is your front pocket. So you will take your main piece, you will measure 7 inches down, 7 inches. This is the main body of the bag, which is 13 by 40. So you measure 7 inches down. That is where you make a straight line. That is where you will fix your pocket. Get the center of the main body, which is 6.5. Get the center and make sure you place the center of your front pocket on the center of the main body, and you sew. So can you see the way I'm sewing it? That is how you will sew it. That is how you sew it. You sew it this way. Sew it again so that it will be firm, cannot easily loose. So after sewing it the second time, then you sew it to the side. You arrange the pocket and sew it. Sew the downside, sew the side. Please don't sew the up. Oh. That's where you will be putting your hand. You will be putting whatever you want to put inside the bag. Just only sew the downside and the side to form pockets. Can you see those, the plinting that we plinted? Can you see that that 1.5 inches that we sewed? This is why we sew it, because of the way the pocket is. So you sew it like this, and you turn and sew the side. So after you are done sewing the side, our pocket is ready. Can you see? So you sew the side, sew the bottom, back stitch where you are rounding up. Then we have our pocket here. So that is it. We are done with it. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video. Please click the like button. Like this video if you are gaining value from this video. So our pocket is ready. So now we take the flap piece, the piece that we are going to be using for the top flap. We measure 2 inches and cut off. Then fix the zip in between. We fix the zip in between as we measure 2 inches. Then you press stitch. You sew it on both sides and press stitch it. So that is what we do. So after then, the next thing to do is to fix our velcro. Measure 1 inches by 1 inches. You place your velcro there. 1 inches by 1. I do 1.5. Sorry, I do 1.5 or 1. I do 1. Anyone, just do between 1. I prefer actually half, between half and 1 is okay like that. So can you see now? Just this video, I just take 1 inches from the side, 1 inches from the down. So after you finish sewing it, you use it to cover, to form a pocket for the flap. You know that we already fixed zip for the flap and we'll be needing a pocket. So you will use it to form the pocket for the flap. So you will sew it the way you are seeing me doing it. This is how to sew it. Yes. You sew it like that. So when you are done sewing it around, you trim off your excess landing and you use the same material to pipe it. You use the same material. You can try to use your bias belt, but I use the same material to pipe it. So that is what I'm doing right now. So after then, I will have to fold it in neatly. Fold it in after sewing it to that, so pass through that edge. Then I will now have to sew it in neatly. So can you see it? I'm done with it now. I'm done sewing it. I've take picture. So the next thing is to get the center to center. Make sure it's always center to center. Can you see the way I'm sewing the flap on the front pocket? Yes, you sew it that way. Sew it that way. Can you see? Then after sewing it, you bring it down and then you press stitch it. You bring it down, press stitch it. So we are done facing the pocket. Can you see now? So it is time to fix the handle. We are also done fixing the flap. So it is time to fix the handle. To fix the handle, you have to come down by 5 inches. You go to the side by 3 inches, then you come down by 5 inches. When you notch the center, make sure you notch the center of the main piece. From the center, you come down by 5 inches. Then from the center, you go to the side by 3 inches. That's what I'm doing there now. Take note of that measurement. You go to the side by 3 inches, then you come down by 5 inches before fixing the handle. That's why I fix the handle. I'll do the same thing to the second one. 3 inches from center to where you are from. 3 inches from center to the side, while 5 inches down. So that is it. So after sewing this, you use this same method to get the other one. You sew the second handle. Make sure there are 2 handles. Make sure you sew it well. After then, the next thing to do is to fix the zipper. After you have fixed the zipper on both sides, open it up. Yeah, fixing it. I fix it on both sides. I will open it up. So the next thing to do, since we are putting lining, if you are not putting lining, press stitch it like that. But if you are putting lining, we'll put our lining and we'll press stitch. After we have put our zip, sorry. But if you are not putting your lining, you can just put your zip and press stitch like that. So now I'm press stitch here, I press stitch both sides. Can you see it? You have fixed the handle too. So the next thing to do now, you have to put the zipper inside. So if you want to know about how to put that zipper inside, it's just to cut a piece that is as wide as the landing. If it's landing on it, put zipper. It's not difficult to do. So now what to do now is to now fold it in. If you observe that bag, the base is folded in. They folded the base in. So the base of that the edge, that is the zip base, is folded in. So the folding is 2 inches. You can do 2.5, but I do it 2 inches. So can you see the way I'm doing it now? After I fix everything, I will now fold it in. So I fold it in on this side. I will also fold it in on the other side. So before I can be able to get the center of the material, before the driver will trace. So can you see it now? So I'm sewing the side piece. I only use another material to tape. So it is time to sew. So I'm sewing it now. Can you see it? So I'll sew the side piece, sew it this way to this side and to the other side. So we are still working on it now. We're almost done. You have coupled you have put the side, one side, putting the other side. So we're almost done. So that is how to do it. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like our video, share our video to get more notification. Can you see it? It's not beautiful? Thank you for watching. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always coming back. If this is your first time, my name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker based in Edo State. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a missionary. So what we make bags from the comfort of our home. Learn bag making. If you want to learn bag making and how to make, you can reach out to us on the number on the screen. So now we are piping. We are using our material to also pipe the material. That's what we are doing now.